Hi friends. In this video, I am going to show you the step-by-step process to run C or C++ code in Windows 10 with Visual Studio Code. To run C or C++ in Windows, we need a program called pacman. To install it, we have to go to official site of pacman, then download mzs2, a command line tool to install pacman. After installing mzs2, we need to update the base packages. Then we will install the GCC and G++ packages for C and C++. For debugging C and C++ codes, we have to install a debugger, named as gdb. Then we will open the Windows Explorer, to locate where those packages were installed, and copy the path, to update the path, in the system environment variables. By updating the path, we can use pacman inside the command prompt, or PowerShell. Now we have to check GCC, G++ and GDB version in, CMD or command prompt. Next step is to download and install Visual Studio Code on your system. To run C and C++ code in Visual Studio Code, we need two extensions. The first one is C++ extension by Microsoft and other one is Code Runner by Junho. Now you can compile your C and C++ codes in Visual Studio Code. Thank you for watching.